Welcome to How to Play Blank Slate. To play, you will need the Blank Slate game and 3 to 8 players. The scoreboard is placed for everyone to see. The card box is placed next to the scoreboard. Each player is given a slate with a dry erase marker. A round consists of a word clue card being drawn from the box. Players will then secretly write down an answer on their slate. The object of the game is to score points by trying to match your answer to one other person's answer. Going back to the game, a player will start the game by drawing a word clue card from the box and placing it face up for everyone to see. Each player then secretly writes their one-word answer on their slate. Once every player has written an answer, everyone reveals their word. If exactly 2 players write the same word, each of them earns 3 points. Here, gray and yellow each get 3 points as the only 2 players with star. If more than 2 players write the same word, each player earns 1 point. Here, orange, green, red, and brown each get 1 point for the answer hero. Other players get 0 points for the round for no matched answers. After the scores are recorded, the word clue card is returned to the back of the box. The next player to the left will draw a new word clue card for the next round. The first player to reach 25 points wins the game. Single letter answers are not allowed. Compound words are allowed. Proper nouns are allowed. If you enjoyed learning how to play Blank Slate and you are curious about other games, our channel is the go-to spot for fun, easy-to-follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.